Hey guys, here's a quick video on some of the Summit things that you may have questions about. One of the things that we've been asked about are the quizzes within Summit. So let me kind of show you what we have going on here with this Summit. So I'm going to go into Modules, and I'm going to click on the pre-quiz for linear functions. When I do that, I get this build. That is a teacher view. So if I click the build, I'm going to see all of the questions that are already here and the answers. So on this build page, we can, as a teacher, add a question, maybe delete a question. If you wanted to add something like upload a picture of the work you did today, you can add to these quizzes. So they are completely editable. I'm going to go back and go back again. And this time I'm going to do this in the student view. So that was the teacher view where you're going to see the build. Now here is the student view. So I go here, I'm going to go back. Notice all of this over here on the student view is truncated because they don't need all of those different tabs. I'm going to click on linear functions. Hey, I wanted to shoot you a quick video on how to utilize the quizzes that are embedded in the Summit Canvas course. So right now we are looking at the teacher view of this course, and I'm going to show you what the teacher view looks like when you open up a different quiz. So I'm going to go into the modules, pre-quiz linear functions, and when I open this, this gives me the teacher page and it gives me this build option. When I click this build option, I'm going to see all the questions and the correct answers. This is where I could edit, change, delete, add to this quiz. So these quizzes are completely editable by the teacher. Now, what the students will see is a little bit different. So when you do pull this into your Canvas course and you assign it to the kids, they're going to see something different. So I'm going to go up here to Student View. Notice that this list of tabs is now truncated. And I'm going to go to that pre-quiz again. And this is what it looks like. It's going to have me click Begin. Now it's loading. And here is the quiz without the answer. So this is what your students will see. I just wanted to show you this. Hopefully that will help with the question that you had. I am going to leave student view now. Go back to teacher view. I'm going to arrow back because I really would like to get back to those modules. And that's how you kind of toggle between the teacher and the student view. I hope this helps. Thanks.